Hello guys, if you have been following up with my videos throughout this year, and of course you will notice that I've been coming up with different trading strategy. I've been coming up with different trainings on different trading strategies so that you guys will understand how to pick up your signal whenever you are trading. Okay, and this has actually been helping the community, and I'm really happy about this, okay, because I'm dishing out all this for free so that you guys will understand how to go about it and grab the opportunity with it, okay. And this is really massive, this is really unique, so many people are benefiting from this, and I'm really happy about this, okay guys. So we will look further into some other training session. Right here we'll be checking out successful forex trading strategy, trading the trend, okay. That is, we are focusing on the trend part of it today, okay. So that is what we'll be checking out in this video. This is going to be very easy to do. I'm going to show you how to do that right from the higher time frame. You identify the trend right from the higher time frame, and you just need to wait for it to happen. Once it happens, you go fully into it right on the lower time frame and use it to milk the market successfully for a very long time, okay. That is what this video is all about. I know you guys have been waiting for an opportunity like this. So many YouTubers have charge you a lot of money on things like this, but I will be dishing it dishing it out for free for you guys so that you guys can take advantage of it right from here. It's all for you, okay. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course I'll make sure you practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. If you have any question at all, kindly drop your questions in the comment section, okay. So I will always be there to reply. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said, we'll be looking at successful trading, forex trading strategy, trading the trend. That is what we are focusing on, okay. The trend can either be an uptrend or a downtrend. It all depends on the market, okay. But we need to understand the direction of the market, okay. The trend has to do with the direction of the market, okay. We need to understand this direction of the market before we jump into the trade. If you are trying to trade a downtrend or a sell signal, and if this trend is on uptrend, then that means we are doing it wrongly. It's like you swimming against the wave, okay. You swimming against this or against the wave, okay. So the wave action will be more powerful than your movement, okay, or than your effort in the water, okay. So that is very important, so you can easily wipe off your account at that particular point, okay. It is easier when you swim along the trend, okay. So when you swim in the direction of the currents, okay, so that is when it is easier for you to trade, okay. So, and this is what we will be focusing more on, okay, which means if the market is on downtrend, okay, if the market is on downtrend, then we sell, okay, we sell. And if the market is on uptrend, then we buy, okay. That is what we want to do, okay. That is what we want to do. That is just the best formula to go which we can use to make a lot of profits within the market, okay. So there are some things you also need to put into place. Your support and resistance zones are also very important, okay. It is easier to to sell when the market is coming from the resistance zone, okay. It is easier to sell when the market is coming from the resistance zone, okay. Sell when the market is coming from the resistance zone. and it is also easier to buy when the market is coming from this support zone. Okay, you buy when the market is coming from this support zone. Okay, so that is it. It is very easy to do. Once you understand all this, then you will be able to milk the market very well. Like I always tell you, your lot size will give you more confidence within the market. Okay, it will give you more confidence within the market. So far, the first one is satisfied and the second one is satisfied, then your lot size will give you more confidence in the market. So if you use a reasonable lot size that is okay for your capital, even if there is a pullback, you should know that okay, your account is safe, and of course you will definitely get back into profit. Okay, so that is it. So now let's go straight to the charts and see how all these will be applied on the chart. Okay, so okay guys, this is 4-hour time frame and this is boom 1000, and of course if you should notice right here at the top right here is a sorry, okay, at the top right here is a resistance zone. Okay, is a resistance zone, and of course all you just need to do, sorry about that, I want to duplicate this, sorry, let me, okay, good, clone, let me just clone it. Okay, so if you should notice this, the market was ranging within this region. Okay, we just need a breakout. Okay, let me take this down a bit to the week level. Okay, we just need the breakout to happen. Okay, it should this is a resistance zone. Because it is at the resistance zone does not mean it cannot still break out above it. Okay, so if it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. Okay, but if it does not, we are most likely we are a breakout below the ranging period, which is the support zone. Okay, so once it breaks out below it, then definitely we should know that we should start selling. Okay, so once it breaks out like this, we wait for the candle to close and come in right here. Okay, this should be our coming point, our entry point. Okay, this point should be our entry point on the at the beginning of the second sell candle. Okay, so once we come in right from here, it's funny. Okay, you can be in the market right from there till this period. Okay, till it gets to somewhere here, sorry about that. Okay, till it gets to this support zone. Here is a support zone, right here is a support zone, but I always take my profits around there. You can imagine these are 4 hours candles. We are able to create 2 hours complete, I mean 2 complete candles right from here, and half of a candle, that means that's about 10 hours. Okay, you can imagine being in the market in full profit for good 10 hours. That's a lot of profit for you guys. Okay, that's a lot of profit. Not that there won't be pullbacks on lower time frame, I mean pullbacks which can be very alarming on lower time frame, but it does not really make a difference like that, because we are in the right trend. And check it out, even when it broke out below this support zone, it kept on selling, which means after breaking out below this support zone, you can still come in and make another profit till it gets to this particular support zone. Okay, till it gets to this particular support zone. I usually take my profits before it gets to this support zone. Okay, so you can see how it's happened. Okay, right here was a resistance zone. We were just waiting for the breakout either above it, or probably it will break out the support below it so that it can start selling. But it broke out the support below and it started selling, and of course we came in on the second candle, and of course we started selling. We had our first take profit somewhere here, Okay, it sold for a very long time and it got there, and after breaking out it got to our take profit, so we took the profits right from there. And after breaking out from there, we come in again and keep on selling till it gets to the next TP. Okay, that is how easy it is. If you should now notice, okay, I want you to pay full attention to what I'm about to tell you right here. Okay, if you should notice, okay, at every point there is always a strategic movement right from there, most especially when you start seeing the markets are moving up and down within a certain region like this, then you should know that something is about to happen. It happened right here and it sold, and right from here it got to this support zone, was unable to go beyond that support zone, and the market started ranging around here. All you should do is to take note of that. Okay, here is the support zone, and of course you want to know what will happen right from there, either with that support zone or with this. Okay, or it breaks out, either it breaks out below this support zone or it breaks out above the resistance zone. If it breaks out above the resistance zone, then we are most likely to see it buying till it gets to this particular resistance zone. Okay, till it gets to somewhere here. Okay, but if it does not, then definitely it may likely break out below this support zone, and once it breaks out below the support zone, then definitely you should know that it's going to sell for a very long time. Okay, and it may likely get to somewhere here. It may likely get to somewhere here before there will be a pullback in the market. Okay, because right here is a support zone, just below this is a support zone. I love taking my profit before getting to the support zone. Okay, so, and if it does not, and if it breaks out below that, just the way it broke out below it right there, then you should know that it will still sell more at that particular point. So you come in with more TP in order to keep on ripping the market right from there. So that is why you keep on ripping the market gradually right from the top to the very end of the trend. You can see the trend came to an end around there. This is going to take a lot of days before you achieve all this, but at the end of the day you would have made a lot of profit. To keep on making profit in one direction for a very long time. The same thing is applicable to what is happening right here. You can see this this is happening around here. You can see that right here the markets didn't go in that I mean, it stopped at this support zone and it kept on buying right from there till it got to this region. Okay, if you should now notice, this is, sorry about this, I'm going to I will have to clone this. Let me clone it and bring it out here. Okay, the market is at a resistance zone around here. You can see it right here. You can see it right here. It's obeyed it around here. It's obeyed it around here. Then definitely we are most likely have it respected around here. So that was what led to this sell signal. Okay, at least it should respect it for a while before it can say it should go back into a buy trend. Okay, and it has gotten to a support zone around here also. That is why it has gotten to a support zone. If you should notice it, I'm going to bring it down now. Okay, if you should notice it, here is the support zone around here. Check it out, somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here. Can you see it? Okay, this actually came down till it got to this region and it moved back up. So that is why it is going back up at the moment. Okay, it may likely get to this region to see if it will break out above this resistance zone. When once it breaks out above this resistance zone, then it will be targeting somewhere here. Okay, which is another resistance zone. Okay, so that is it. Once you are able to pinpoint some strategic areas like this, then you will be able to milk the market. You only wait for the price action to get there to see if it will break out, if there will be a breakout around there, or probably there will be a reversal. And once that happens, you know what to do. You jump into the trade and start buying or selling depending on the direction of the market. All you just want to do is to follow the market direction. Once you follow the market direction, you will be able to make a lot of profit within that region. Okay, so that is how beautiful it is. Okay guys, if you are finding this very difficult to do, actually constant practice will help you to achieve this easily. But if you are finding it difficult to do, okay, you can take advantage of the custom made indicators to achieve this. Okay, you can take advantage of the custom made indicators to achieve this. You can check this out. This was an uptrend around there. It kept on buying and buying and buying till it got to this region, and when it got to this resistance zone, it went back on downtrend. You can see it selling, and of course here is a support zone. You can see it was respected around there, and also several times, it was respected around there, and when it got back to the point again, it went back up, and this time around it's coming down again. It has gotten there again, so it went back up again. So you should expect that it should once it gets to this region, it's going to bounce back around there. That is why I highlighted this area. For those of you that checked out my trading analysis for yesterday night, you should have milked this market, because I highlighted these areas out, and of course since yesterday, and of course you can see it right from here till when it got to this range, and of course it pulled back immediately. It will still try it out to see if it will break out from there. So once it breaks out from there, then the next support zone is what you should be looking out for. So this will help you to know the direction of the market easily and without any hiccups, and you will be able to know when to go into the market and when to exit the market. If you cannot do that on your own, this custom made indicator will help you to identify some of these areas, and you will be able to trade effectively. Okay, like I always tell you, the custom made indicator is not there to trade for you. It is only meant to identify some specific areas for you, so that you can find it very easy to analyze the markets, okay, in order to make some profitable trades with it. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to drop your questions in the comment section. If you want to know more about the 3M trend milker indicator, the custom made indicator I showed you earlier on, you can send personal message to me on WhatsApp. I will always be there to reply you. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.